I'm gonna put together this wristlet kit, and this kit, you can kind of, this actually comes out, but either way, it comes with a nice little template so you can see exactly where to put stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put a couple little marks here so I can see where to put this pocket. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna get this inside pocket stitched to here because, well, after this it's gonna be kind of covered up and I'm not gonna be able to get to it. So it just makes sense to do it now. Looks pretty awesome. A nice little pocket in there. Okay, now that we've got that sewn on, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of the edges of these pieces cleaned up, get them burnished, get them ready to put on, and then we're gonna start assembling this thing. So hang on, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get these little edges burnished up so we can get ready to put them on. Get that one on because nothing's gonna go underneath it. Now I get to decide which side I want to put my anchor on, or if you have two, you could put two on. For this one, I'm only gonna put one, and I think I'm gonna put it on this side. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. All right. Time to get that punched and get those stitched on. Now that we've got our pieces on here, I think think I'm gonna go ahead and get this back pocket placed on, which would be like this. And now these are already pre-skived. You can get them skived or not skived. This one came already skived, so that's very nice. I'm going to add some double-sided tape right to the edges of this. Now we've got a back pocket, and well, kind of see how this is gonna look. This is gonna be pretty sweet. Well, I got my stitching holes lined up, then I realized, well, this has to go over here before I can actually sew this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this top piece sewn on here, so then I can get this sewn on the back. Let's do it. Next, I need to join these two pieces together along these edges and then get it sewed. So, let's knock her out. This tape does not like this very well. Okay, my glue is dry. Everything looks pretty awesome. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get some holes punched in this so I can get this and this stitched on. All right, let's get it. Get this front pocket, the main pocket, or the back pocket and the main pocket stitched on here. This thing is coming together pretty nicely. Now I need to get this flap on here, which I'm gonna glue on, and then I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for that to dry before I finish this up. Well, then I gotta do the strap as well, but that's pretty solid, especially since they've already put the backing on it, so it comes pre-backed. And that's just pretty fantastic. So let's get these final steps done and we'll be in the home stretch. Well, I got that on. Now I'm gonna glue it. All right, let's give that some dry time. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get this strap put together, which is fairly simple. And there we have our strap for our wristlet. Well, the glue is dried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get these stitching holes punched. Let's get this stitched, and we will be really close to finishing this. That looks really good. I love it. All right, we've got this all sewn together. It looks great. Next, all I gotta do, get these edges cleaned up, and this should be pretty much done. Did you get the strap on? And there we have it. A very nice contour wristlet. This thing is sweet. Because it's a kit. So if you're interested in one of these, go check them out. They're absolutely worth it. Whether you're a beginner, an experienced person, I mean, who wouldn't like to get that as a gift? I mean, nice. Put a phone back here, anything you want.